Monarch Service Project Digital Story. For the Monarch Service Project, our group members consisted of Michaela Corbett, Joshua Trish, Austin Bell, Caleb Bren, Jacob Brown, Kyle Thibodeau, Sam Olivarez, and Catherine Frenza. Project description. Our goal was to better understand the local pollinator population around us, focusing on Lick Creek Park in College Station, Texas. Our group members will spend time in the park collecting insects that we see pollinating, and we will document the behaviors of the insects and the areas in which they are found using pictures. We will mount them and identify them to create a local pollinator library. As a group, we volunteered 10 hours apiece at the City of College Station's Lick Creek Park. Ultimately, our goal consisted of learning about what type and how many pollinators live in Lick Creek Park by collecting and documenting these insects. Project planning. All of the original group members contacted each other in the app GroupMe and worked together to get all of the contracts and any other paperwork signed and turned in before the set deadline. As a group, we asked everyone to check in at least once a week to describe their findings at the park if they went and to contribute to the project in any way possible. Also, as a group, we decided to use a buddy system in order to keep each other accountable for contributing to the group. A log reflecting planning time and activity time, reflecting each week's benchmarks, will be created and checked off for completion as the group progresses through the project. Project execution. The project was successfully executed by everyone in the group as no one missed any deadlines and fulfilled all of their volunteering hours. Group members with cars carpooled to Lick Creek Park, an expansive plot of land with plenty of natural habitats for pollinators. Lick Creek Park features meeting rooms available for reservation in which group members can meet and plan. Also available at Lick Creek Park is a butterfly garden where group members could easily observe pollinators. Project results and impact. As a result of our project, we were to identify the importance of pollinators in our community as well as the habitat in which pollinators tend to gravitate toward, which we found out to be the places with large amounts of shrubbery and diverse species of flowers and plants. Our project had a positive impact on the pollinator species identified and documented because, for example, a wasp that was found in Lick Creek Park was in a dangerous area of water and we were able to save the wasp by moving it with a stick. Another positive impact was discovering the pollinators that are currently living and surviving in Lick Creek Park, so the park workers can be more aware of the species existing around them. The pollinator was submerged in water and we were about to push it out with a stick and help it survive while we were at Lick Creek Park observing pollinators. Future projects. This project could be continued and improved in the future by focusing on one specific pollinator and continuously going back to Lick Creek Park to check in on the larvae and constantly watch one specific species of pollinators develop. Also, to further improve this project, we could each individually spend more than 10 hours at Lick Creek Park and expand the project to observing the specific species over a whole semester instead of just a few weeks.